Hello. I hope you're enjoying the series. I know I've enjoyed making the series, and I know we've got one more after this one, which will entail the actual moving and whatnot. But this one is about closing your deal. So let's get started with it. What is closing? Closing is the final part of the home buying process where you commit to your mortgage and become the legal owner of your home. On closing day, you'll sign your loan paperwork, and the property title will be transferred into your name. Who will be there at closing? You, the buyer. Well, that kind of makes sense, doesn't it? The mortgage lender, I guess that would be me. Sellers, seller's agent, title company, attorneys, if applicable in your state, and the closing agent. Now, we kind of left off your agent, but more than likely they'll be there also. Before you close, to ensure a smooth closing, make sure you take in the following steps prior to closing day. Get a home inspection. Get a homeowner's insurance policy. Determine who your closing agent will be. Review the closing disclosure and make sure any errors are corrected. The lender is required by law to provide 3 days before closing. After the closing disclosure is issued, you must wait 3 days to close. If any fees change, another disclosure must be issued and you must wait an additional 3 days. Ask your lender to provide you with a copy of your other closing documents so you can review them in advance. These include the promissory note and mortgage, also known as the security instrument or deed of trust. Find out how much money will be needed to close and how to transfer payment, e.g. cashier's check or wire transfer. And nowadays, a lot of title companies prefer a wire transfer. Matter of fact, on that subject, they also prefer that they give you the wiring instructions. They don't want your agent or your lender to give it to you. They want it to come straight from them. Do a final walkthrough of the home 24 hours before closing to ensure all repairs have been made. On closing day, the big day has finally arrived. Make sure it goes off without a hitch with these tips. What to bring: photo ID, cashier's check or proof of wire transfer to cover your down payment and closing costs, checkbook in case there are any last-minute changes, proof of homeowner's insurance, your purchase agreement, and a copy of the home inspection. What to expect: be prepared for a lot of paperwork. You'll likely be required to sign 2, possibly 3 copies of each document. Plan for this to take a few hours. Don't rush it, and be sure to ask a lot of questions. If something doesn't make sense, ask. If your state doesn't require an attorney to be present, it may be a good idea to arrange for one anyway to ensure you understand everything you're signing. On this video, I hope you're enjoying this series. Please hit like, share, and subscribe. This helps more people discover info on how to buy a home. Find us at moneyformyhome.com, or you can call us at 251-616-0005, or you can email at localmortgageguy@gmail.com. Thank you, and I hope you're having a wonderful day, and look forward to talking to you soon.